Hello, everyone. We are the Brownies, and we developed an app called COZINHA. I'm Patricia, and I will be presenting to you what COZINHA is and our wireframe. So, COZINHA is basically a Portuguese translation of kitchen. So, we wanted to create a kitchen or your kitchen or the user's kitchen that is accessible through our phone. The left picture you will see is the first draft of our wireframe. You can see that we added as much feature as possible that we think will be useful when it comes to our goals. So one of our goals is to basically, we wanted this app to plan our meals according to our lifestyles and health goals. We wanted to also utilize AI as much as possible. So you can see that this is, it shows our wireframe, how it works and what is inside that app.
Well, we wanted to implement as many features as possible. So we have My Journey tracking all of your goals, meal plan, budget, nutrition goals, profile, the scan option that you will be able to scan your ingredients, the search groceries list connecting with your local grocery stores, and also the what the generation of the recipe would look like. We wanted to have all of the notifications very friendly, and our logo, it's very simple and catchy. And this is what the final version of the wireframe, a mock-up of our app looks like. And we really focused on the user interaction and user friendly.
Yeah, so this is the data system order that we were able to come up with that I personally like. After interviewing one of the student athletes that I'm really close with, um one thing he just really wanted was for him to have more convenient. There was a businessman named Rampier who had said that an ideal business is something that would make something convenient for other people. And as you can see here, with the fresh chicken, from March all the way to December, there's one quantity of order for that entire year. And so that makes it more convenient for student athletes or students who are just really busy, so where they don't even have to look at their app, or they don't need to. They know that, like, all right, like this next month, or either on the 15th or on the 1st, I'm gonna get my fresh chicken. That way I don't have to keep going to the grocery store, and I don't have to waste time on that. And one thing that the Ditto system actually does is that it also just makes it more cheaper. And what do I mean by cheaper? Um, One thing that I mean by cheaper is that when you go to the store, you're not tempted to want to buy like cookies, chips, and everything. And I'm sure there's been times where you went to the store just to buy some milk, and next thing you know it, you came home with $100 worth of stuff and you forgot the milk. And so, and so, can we go to the next slide? Awesome. So there's also another option where if you don't want to do just the entire year, you can also do it month by month or just order by order. You can get everything you need for that entire month, and it still makes it convenient for you and for people who are really busy with their day. Or even if you're just not busy with your day, you're just too lazy to go to the grocery store, the Ditto system makes it very convenient for people who just want to be able to have more time with their family, or just more time to themselves, and not have to worry about having to go to the grocery store all the time. And one of the things that we did was just, being able to partner up with those stores so that we can do that for them. And it will make just their lives easier, especially with school and kids. And, you know, anyone can use this data system, and it will make it very much convenient, as I said many times.
Here is a mock-up video of what our app looks like. So as soon as you open, you can start scanning your ingredients. Right now, it's scanning rice, tomato, spinach, eggs, onion, and then with the generating recipe option, you can even select your health goals. So I have high protein, and I want a Japanese, Brazilian, American options, and I can click on generate recipe, and it's going to give me a few options based on budget, time, if it's easy, quick, um, and that allows me to have options to choose. I have my weekly budget with favorite recipes that I've been using. Then I have my profile with health goals, cuisine preference, the budget, diet allergies, and if you go back to the main page, You can see the recommendations, the meal plan, and also nutrition goals. It's a very easy and the flow of the app, it is designed in a way that will allow the user experience to be the best.
Perfect. So that was our app, Cozinha. And I would like to finish this presentation with what went well in the process. So first, as you can see here, everybody good looking guys. We have Natalia, we have Trisha, Rahul, Nick, and me, Jess. So what went well was that communication. We had really good coordination with the team members. Also, we all had a desire to succeed. We all had also good ideas. We brainstormed a lot. So it went well. So in our next slide, we can see the things that we went through. We had some issues, of course. We lose track of our assignments and expectations. So we kind of didn't understand the assignments. We had the desires to do, but we didn't know how to do them. So that impacted our deadline. We missed some assignments. But the good thing about this, it was we had the opportunity to meet with the teacher. So she resolved many of our questions, and that was good. That was pretty good. And our last slide is Agile project management. So Agile centers more in teamwork, communication, customer involvement, and adjusted changes. So throughout this process of creating this Cozinha app, we had many feedback. We had a lot of individual communications, individual interactions. We also had many setbacks. We also had to adjust to the changes based on the feedback that the customers, the clients, friends, and people tried this app throughout the creation of this app. So that's how we came up with this pretty good app, Cozinha, that helps everybody, helps people with busy lives, help students, help people that just want to create simple meals with low budget. And yeah, that's our app.